Good morning, friends. Today is December 2nd, 2020. So the very first thing you're going to do is write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Next to number 1, we are going to be looking at the calendar and you are going to be writing about the object that we see. So today when I flipped over the card, I see a crayon box. And when we look at that crayon box, we see a rectangle face on 4 of the sides, and it is hard to tell if it is a square or a rectangle face on the other 2 sides. But again, when you look at that, that is the shape that we're looking at today. So next to number 1, a crayon box is a, and then you tell me what shape that is. Press pause if you need more time. Number 2, draw today's clock. So when we look at the clock for today it is 8 o'clock a.m. So you're going to draw a clock. You are going to make the hands on the clock to show 8 o'clock a.m. Then you're going to write I. And then what do you do at 8 o'clock a.m.? I blank at 8 o'clock a.m. So I will like to see today a clock with the correct hands, as well as the sentence that matches. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 3, we are representing the number of days that we've been in school. So as of yesterday, we were in school. I am short on a couple of these, so I'm going to add them. As of yesterday, we were in school for 47 days. We've now been in school for 1 more day, so 1 more than 47 is 48. So with the number 48, you are going to write an addition equation that equals 48, a subtraction equation that equals 48, tally marks to show 48, coins that have a value of 48 cents, and the 10 sticks and 1 blocks to show 48. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 4, you are counting backwards. You are starting at 43 and you are going to count backwards down to 11. So 43 down to 11. Good job today, friends. Do your best. You've got this.